Hello, my name is Rob Havers, the President and CEO of the Pritzker Military Museum and Library, and I am here today to tell you a little bit about what we have done to reopen our exhibition and to make it safe in this time of COVID. Although I've taken my mask off to talk to you right now, when you come to see us, you will be required to please wear a mask at all times. The Pritzker Military Museum and Library is opening its doors on the 30th of June to a new socially distanced version of our exhibition. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday to Saturday will be our new opening hours. The exhibition is the Allied Race to Victory, and it is a great exposition of the final months of World War II. Now, with socially distancing in place, you can come and visit and still experience that wonderful exhibition. As always, the safety of you, our patrons, is foremost in our mind. We have spent a lot of time thinking about how we reconfigure this space so you can enjoy it safely and appropriately. Some of those provisions include clear markings on the floor, directional arrows to indicate one way of travel through the exhibition. In addition, hand sanitizer stations are apparent throughout the exhibition. Please make use of them. There are also signs throughout the exhibition reminding you to maintain social distance. Also, we have restricted our capacity. 25% of our usual volume of patrons are allowed at any one time. This translates to no more than 50 people in this space. All of the virtual services that were on offer while we were closed are still available. Pick up and drop off for members of library books. The third floor of the exhibition, however, is closed. So once again, please come and visit us. Adhere to our social distancing provisions. It is great to be open once again and to be communicating with you, our constituency, and with the public. So please come and see us and be safe.